Yo, what is up mga kasadik? Welcome back to our channel. Good morning, good morning. Time check is 9 o'clock on the morning with the temperature of 35 degrees mga kasadik. So quite hot already. On today's vlog mga kasadik, we are going to Suzuki Barayan. Shout out to Mr. Sane for assisting me today. Alright mga kasadik, so on today's vlog, we will do some maintenance on our bike Suzuki Gixxer SF250. We have reached 21,000 kilometers already, so solid 21,000 kilometers for this bike, so very reliable. So we will having some treats for this bike. We will do some maintenance. Actually mga kasadik, few weeks ago we already do some preventive maintenance for this bike. So I have changed the air filter, I bought a new spark plugs, and of course a regular change oil for this bike. So today we have reached 21,000 kilometers already. So today mga kasadik, we will change the chain on this bike. As you can see mga kasadik, the chain is very loose. See? Actually, I already adjusted to the maximum, but it's very loose. So I decided to change to a new one. Actually mga kasadik, I want to change the whole set, including the sprockets. But I have called the Suzuki Barayan. It is not available here in Riyadh. So the parts will come from Jeddah mga kasadik. So the only available on Suzuki Barayan is the chain itself. So I decided to change the chain because it's already dangerous mga kasadik at this status. As you can see, it is very loose. So our bike is haven't cleaned mga kasadik. As you can see, it's very dirty. It's just because there's a sandstorm, a series of sandstorm few days ago. Actually mga kasadik, yesterday weather is very dusty, so we haven't cleaned the bike. After the chain is changed, then we will do some cleaning on this bike. Alright mga kasadik, let's go to Suzuki Barayan. Alright mga kasadik, so we are here at the Suzuki Barayan Service Center. So Dammam Road, Riyadh to Dammam Road. So, asking permission if I can take the footage while they are changing our chain. So I hope they can allow us to take video so I can show you guys how they do it. So this is our bike. It is lined up for service today. So I will update you again mga kasadik. Alright mga kasadik, so they are preparing our chain. So just to let you know mga kasadik, I never tried any brand to change any parts on my Gixxer SF 250. Make sure mga kasadik, I only choose the genuine parts of Suzuki motorcycle here in Riyadh. So for your inquiries about parts and service for the Suzuki, you can call Suzuki Barayan, Riyadh, Dammam or Jeddah. Alright mga kasadik, so we have come back here at Suzuki Barayan because last week small sprocket or the front sprocket is not available, so they have ordered it from Jeddah and then deliver it to here. So I waited for about 1 week and then I come back here. So they will change now the sprocket and chain set today. So this is our bike, so I will update you guys later. So this is the sprocket, small front sprocket. This is the rear sprocket, and the chain. So I will come back later mga kasadik. So alright mga kasadik, so they are done changing our sprocket and chain set. So shout out to Suzuki Barayan. So my total expenses mga kasadik is 220 for the sprocket and chain set plus 36 on 36 reals on chain lock, and for the labor for the mechanic is 176. So 400 plus mga kasadik, so around 430. Or I choose to do it here in a Suzuki Service Center is just to make sure and I have a peace of mind that this motorcycle will be on good hands, and of course genuine Suzuki parts only for its maximum performance mga kasadik. So alright mga kasadik, I'm gonna end my vlog here mga kasadik. So haven't subscribed yet to my channel mga kasadik, please like, share and subscribe Bubsy TV. And for those who want to support my channel mga kasadik, please don't skip ads. Alright, keep safe mga kasadik, ride safe. See you on my next vlog. See you on the road. Ciao.